Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to show you the right way to upload your YouTube videos for you to start getting views and for your videos to rank high on YouTube. When you get to YouTube, simply come over here where you see your image. If you are using your laptop, then simply come over here, but if you are using your phone, it's the same process. Simply come over here, click on this image. If you are using your phone, you will have access to this using your Google Chrome. When you go to your Google Chrome, then go to youtubestudio.com. But if you are using your laptop, simply come over to the menu to click on your main image here. Then come over here and click on YouTube Studio. You can right click on it and open link in a new tab. And here I'm on my YouTube Studio. Now to upload your video, simply come over here, click on create, and you will see the option of upload videos. Before you upload the video, there are some little settings you need to do, and to do that, simply go to where the video you want to upload is, which is the video file you want to upload. We need to change the name of this file to match the title of the video we want to upload. So let's say this is the video. I'll right click on it. If you are using your phone, you go to your file manager to change the name of the file. So from here I'm going to click on rename. So let's say the title of this video will be "She was maltreated by her stepmother." So let's say this is the name of the video. So I'll need to change the let's say this is the title of the video. I need to change the name of this video file to the title of the video. Now we'll go ahead to upload this video. Now come to the YouTube Studio app, and from here you see create. From here click on upload. So you'll be given access to select the file you want to upload. Click on select files. Now from your device, you select the video you want to upload, then click on open. Pay attention because this is where you need to understand very well. So from the title of the video, I'm going to write the title of this video. You are seeing a score here. This is from VidIQ. So if you don't have VidIQ installed on your Google Chrome, then you can go ahead to install VidIQ using the Google Chrome VidIQ extension. For those using mobile phone, I don't think you will have access to this, but you can install the VidIQ app and then you will have access to change the title and check a score from the VidIQ app. So from this, I'm going to tell ChatGPT to write a good video title for this particular video so that I can have a good score on my VidIQ score rating here. So I'm going to copy the title of this video. Let's say this is what my video was written about. So I'll go to here, go to ChatGPT. So I'll tell ChatGPT that please write a good video title for this. And this is the initial video title. I'll go ahead and tell ChatGPT I want the title to make viewers click to watch the video. Now I'll send this to ChatGPT, and this is the title that ChatGPT gave me. So here ChatGPT is saying her stepmother's cruelty will leave you speechless. So you can see this is a good title. So let's copy this title and we'll come over here, then we'll paste it inside this title area, and let's see the score that we are going to have here. The initial score was 45, and when we use ChatGPT to change this title, it gave us 85, which is a good score. So with this title, people will like to watch the video to see how bad the stepmother was to the son. Okay, so this is it. Now we'll go down here. Now we are going to copy this particular title that we have just gotten. We'll copy this title. It's time for us to add our description. So we'll go back to ChatGPT again. So we are going to tell ChatGPT this. Please write a good YouTube video description for this video. Her stepmother's cruelty will leave you speechless. I want the video to rank high on YouTube. Now I'll send this. This is the video description that we are given by ChatGPT. So we are going to copy it from here, including the tags. So we'll copy this, then we'll go back to our video description. So from here, we are going to add this description. So now we have gotten the description, so you can insert your watch next video, telling them to watch your next video. You can insert them here. Then you can go over here. What I like to do is that I'll copy the initial video title, then I'll come down here. It will be the first line under my video. You can see it's the first line under my video. So the tags, you are going to add tags according to the kind of video that you are creating. So let's say this video is a story video or an African folktale video, then I'm going to include African folktales in among these tags. So let me include that. So we are going to write African folktales among these tags. So you have added that among the tags under the description. Now we are good with the description. We have written the title and we have written a good description for this video. Now we'll go down, and from here you need to add the thumbnail for this video. Click on upload thumbnail. So let's say this is the thumbnail of the video. Select the thumbnail, then click on open. And now the thumbnail has been uploaded. Now we'll go down and we need to add this video to a playlist. So from here we have your playlist. You click on select, and from this option you can select any playlist you want to include your video on. You have the option to select any number of playlists you want to select. You have the option to select your playlist. If you don't have a playlist and want to add a playlist, you can come down here and click on new playlist. So you can select new playlist from here, and from here you can add your playlist title, and then you tap on create playlist. So I've selected my playlist now. I'll tap on done. So you come down and select. If your video is made for kids, you can select yes, it's made for kids. But if your video is not made for kids, you can select no, it's not made for kids. It doesn't mean kids cannot also watch the video. So I'll select no, it's not made for kids. And then I'll come down here. Do any of the following describe your content? So if you altered any part of your content, let's say you make a real person appear to say or do something they didn't say or do, then you can select yes. But if your video doesn't include that, then you can select no. Or you can simply leave the both of them empty. So you can come down here. This is where you need to add your tag. I'll go to YouTube. Then for this, I'll just search for an African folktale. So I need to copy tags from other folktale stories so that I will be able to appear under suggested videos under their video. So let's say this particular video, I'm going to look for a video that is having a huge number of views. So let's say this particular video, let me click on the video to open it up. This is where VidIQ is important for you to install. And if you go to your right hand side, you can see overview. Simply scroll down, and from this option you are going to see video tags. Click on the drop down arrow to open the video tags. So this is the tags that was used for this video. So if you are using VidIQ, you can simply come over here and click on this copy icon. Now this tags has been copied. I can go to my own video now, and from the tags option here I can paste in these tags. So I can paste in, and now I have all these tags pasted under my tags area. So that is the importance of this VidIQ, for you to be able to copy tags and do some other things. So you are going to come down here and click on next. It doesn't mean if you don't have tags under your video is not going to go viral. Okay, so from here, this is monetization. So from here you need to turn on ads. So if you want ads to appear on this video, you can click on and click on done. So for this, you click on next. Then you scroll down here, you need to accept this none of the above. So you select on none of the above, then you click on submit rating. This is for those that their channel is already monetized. But if your channel is not monetized, then they will skip you to the video element. So click on next, and they will skip you directly to the video element. And from here you can add an end screen. So you are going to see a button here, import from video, or you can click on add to add an end screen. Then after adding an end screen, you come down and add cards. So what these cards, you use this to promote related content during your video. So if I click on add cards, they will allow me to add related videos among my videos. So if I want that video to appear, let's say 1 minute of the video, I'll drag this playhead to that position, then we'll click on video, or you can add a playlist. You can also add a channel. You can also add a link. So I can add a video. So from here, I'm going to select just one of the video I want to add to that position, and that video will be added. So you can see the position where cards come in here. This is called cards. So after adding that, you click on save to save that cards that have been added. Then you click on next. So from this option, you are going to see copyright. So here you can see it. I have no copyright issues found, no issues found. If you have copyright found in your video, then don't go ahead to upload that video. Okay, so since I don't have any issue with my copyright, and I also don't have any issue with my ad suitability, I'm going to click on next. When you click on next, you are going to see option like this. This is save or publish. So you can either put it on public to public immediately, or you can schedule your video. So what I basically do is, either if I want to publish the video immediately, I click on public, but if I want to schedule that video, you come down here, click on this schedule option. You select the date from here. So let's say I'm uploading this video on the 11th and I want this video to come live to YouTube on the 13th. I'm going to select 13th, and from this option you select the time that you want this video to come live. So from here you can select the time zone. If most of your audience are in Canada, or most of your audience are in India, and you want to go on with their own time zone, then you can click on time zone, and from this option you can select the time zone that you are going for. But for this, most of my audience are in Nigeria, so I'm going to just go on with my own time zone. So for this, mostly I upload my videos in the night, so I'm going to select 7 p.m. So this is the time. So after setting that, you click on schedule. So when you click on schedule, your video is going to be scheduled, and then when it gets to that time, your video is going to come live. So you can see your video will be set to public on January 13, 2025 at 7 p.m. So this is how you upload your videos the right way. Uploading your video this way doesn't necessarily mean you are going to get thousands of views. If you want to get thousands of views, then you must understand how to source for video ideas that is going to go viral. If you want to watch that particular video, I'll leave the link to the video up here, or it will be in the video description. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.